message hi nakaliang junga ka bang kwa ban ay ka prathei hi barok kawai bakari India kamdei ka baduna kamdei ka bakom ka mga ong ipi bakari India jugi ka kwa ka jingsuk hanre lada kano kari ka batmu ban wan ban attack ya kari ka jungi kari ka jungi ka kloy ban penbam khndo ya ka Pakistan banang tade kari ka jungi ka long ka baredi senrang ne kenthei habade ban pet ki ministry ba fer ki defense ba fer ki nibi ba fer ya ki sipai nang liang ki defense ministry ki ba kila le nak liang kari India nga snguban ai jingero ki ki sipai ki bala len lade ban banisim mentah ki ka operation Sindoor banang taru kilawan si kabajob nakaliang jongahi nga ong ba nga congratulate ya ki sipai baro ban nga I sim hi nakaliang simet ban nga sngu proud hiru mangalong kumunong song jong kari India.
Our Prime Minister has given that operation name as the Operation Sindoor, so that through that operation, the Indian government and the Indian people in Indian government has given a reply back to the Islamic terrorists in such a way that even the Pakistani government, they will get shocked that how India just enter in our land, in our territory, and they attack, they like spoil the terrorist camp and all, and they went back to their own country. So that shows that what is the strength of the Indian government.
We are proud of being Indians, and we are proud of the the reaction that the country has taken against those hardcore terrorists. And I think it's time for all of us to condemn terrorist acts, be it in a country, be it along the borderline, be it anywhere, so that all of us will come together and respect one another's religion, sentiments, caste, creed, or whatever, and then support the country in this fight against terrorism.
This is the first time the country have united the people together. All 140 crore people are together behind the government. But I can appreciate government has taken and the opposition also come together. We doubt about Muslims, but all the Muslims have joined. Even Shillong Muslim Union is together, joined with the government and the army.
Sindoor operation kalong kabala seso perkalong hukum ka jingpet isya ki way ki ri bat ki leno ba ka India ru kadon haga jong kabor ban yada yala ka jong kari bat khajuru ka por nai ka jingro ya ka sarkar kabla shim ya kene ka kajing ya lenti ban penduk jai ya kum kini ki kamru klau ki bom don shu ka mensim ya tip lem ya para briu ki ba ya pesu penjap ya ki briu ke bali lui ya ai ka jingro ya ki sipai ki balaya IT ba len lade nak benta ban ya dai ka ri bat ya ka ri jongi hi barok ka wai ngai ka jingro ru ya ki barok ki kan hun sipai ki Indian Army ki Air Force ki Indian Navy pat kumjuru ya ki border security kan ba ki bala len lade ki bala e ka jingka sem ban ya dai ka ri ki jongi.
Pakistan for the umpteenth time got taste of its medicine, but as it gets cured, it shoots back again. India has been victim of Pakistani terrorism for a long time, but despite many repulsions, it always came back in the form of these coward terrorists and killed and maimed the innocent citizens of India. I was very happy that our Prime Minister gave a free hand to the armed forces to give a reply. And it won't be out of place if we say that the armed forces came in the front in the manner that they know. Indian armed forces don't need any citations or explanation for their bravery, for their valor. They have always been on top of their form for protecting and defending the nation.
Ulas ngode ban ai bor ha kilong kmi ban yada ya kalong yeng nong sem jongki da ka baseng ya ka operation Sindoor ka bat ai bor haki ban penduk pendam ya ka kam pentrim jongki la da Pakistan ka operation Sindoor kala trei met ban mensim ban yada ya la kari ban yele persya ya kita ki ruthang snap ngas das ngo sarong sik adai ya ka jing shlor chong ki ne ki long kami ki balong ki khon kan thei kari ki khon kan thei kami India lani ka Bharat mata ki bala IT met ban man sim ban penduk pendam ya ka kampen trim ya ka kampen ma da ka jing tebit da ka jing shlor ba da ka jing IT mon ngo bha chong ki na ka banta la ka chong kari.
Operation Sindoor was a great success. It was a success in the sense when the Prime Minister had said that Pakistan go har lagaye ceasefire ke liye, which means that India was in a position to make Pakistan bend down to their knees, and they begged for ceasefire, which means Operation Sindoor was a great success. It was a success because it was on a specific targeted place where terrorist installations were there. I must congratulate the government that it was done at night because no civilian life was taken. Terrorism cannot be unrooted. We have to go deep, and to go deep into finishing terrorism is through dialogues, and we must engage in dialogues with our neighboring enemy or the country, Pakistan.
Nadu bajia kan ni Operation Sindoor. Nikong ngas ngai ke jingero ya ki spy ya ki defense ba ya ki armed forces ng India ke bala retaliate. Ya kan ni ga ya habedi kan ni ga jingjia hapo pahalgam. Haka apndo trik. Hari pada ke pasngolong ngo ba balik ini teroris ki siat dusman ya ni apndo ngon tang na kadao ba ningkong ba ki degi kita ki Hindu boleh sih, kat kum di news ki bala claim mo, kalau siap pathar, kamdon kata ke message nagi intelligence India, bakin one kini kilo no, undon bakti ero, this is issue one, ban siap pathar lagi bro, ki innocent life. Tekan ni ke banga nasional ulang mo, what intelligence India ro, kimla ban jubak hadu mentaro, hapok ke public domain.
Our rough neighbor, that is Pakistan, and Pakistan. Many leaders of the Pakistan themselves has agreed that for last 40 years we are funding terrorism, and their own people are hungry, they are without bread, and it has to come to the end, and it will come to an end, because any wrong thing cannot continue forever. And I personally feel that this is the time when Narendra Modi government will definitely show to the world that no, India is not soft option. India can take action.
Terrorism should be finished. They should finish them off. They should not be here because they take away the life of innocent people. So I feel this is the time that our Bharat should take this very crucial steps.